Walking through these cobblestone dreams, where history whispers in the breeze. Colors so vivid they tell a tale. With each tram they guide me, never fail. The sunlit hills they watch with pride. The targets close, their explorers abide. Lisbon, your vibrant heart beats. Contour soul, timeless streets, romantic skies, nostalgic feats. Lisbon, your coastal elegant streets. Fado melodies, they haunt the night, echoing stories of ancient light. Standing tall with architecture grand, resilient city my heart understands. Guitar strings sing with a gentle grace, a maritime legacy